Hi friends, welcome to Curious Vet channel once again. I am Dr. Mohsina. Today we will learn about a small topic that is sweet itch in horses. Before going to the details of this disease, I just want to show you the picture of a horse infected with this disease. You can see the crusting and thickened skin on the head and face region. There is excoriations, alopecia and thickening. The synonyms of this disease, that is sweet itch, are summer itch, summer seasonal recurrent dermatitis, or culicoides hypersensitivity. Because this disease occurs in warmer seasons, that's why it is called summer itch. Then coming to the etiology, culicoides flies, that is small fly with mottled wings, as seen in this picture, are the causative agent of this disease. The host develops a type 1 hypersensitivity to the fly's salivary antigens. Culicoides hypersensitivity is extremely pruritic and develop excoriations, alopecia and thickened skin as a result of scratching. The flies are more prevalent during the warmer seasons, that's why it's called summer itch, and most active during dusk and dawn. Let's see the clinical signs. It causes a bust mane and rat tail appearance, and there may be a pattern of skin irritation all along the top line from head and face to neck and feathers to back and rump. Because different species of culicoides have different feeding pattern, they cause oozing, crusting and thickened skin in different areas such as jaws, armpit, ventral midline and between the hind legs. You can see the bust mane and rat tail appearance in these pictures. There is alopecia and thickening of the skin. And common findings are excoriations, alopecia and thickening of the skin at the ventrum or dorsum. In this picture also the clinical signs are clearly visible, that is excoriations, thickened skin and crusting of the dorsum. Horses can be affected on their ventrum or dorsum depending on the species of the fly. The extreme pruritus and seasonality of clinical signs, that is, it occurs in warmer seasons, and they are often enough to differentiate the culicoides hypersensitivity from other skin diseases. So the extreme pruritus and seasonality are important for this disease. Then treatment. Short-term treatment of sweet itch involves providing the horse with immediate relief through medications like steroids, antihistamines or antibiotics if necessary, as well as skin care like cool rinses or soothing shampoos and creams can be given. But antihistamines are important because this is a hypersensitivity disease. Supplements with demonstrated benefits to skin include omega-3 fatty acids and MSM, that is methyl sulfonyl methane. But since it can take a few weeks or more to see results, recommended starting horses on these ingredients before the sweet itch season begins. A long-term approach. Allergen-specific immunotherapy or allergy shots to gradually desensitize the body to culicoides and other agents. Coming to prevention and control, it includes controlling the fly population by removing manure, control of standing water and eliminate plant waste. Stabling the horses at dusk is often helpful because the flies rarely enter barns. Also, insecticides, stable blankets and fans for circulating air in the stables are found to be useful. So that's all about summer itch or sweet itch in horses. If this video is informative and useful to you, please like it and share it with your friends and comment your suggestions. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I will be uploading at least one video every week. So see you soon with another video. Thank you.